This is Little India. In this cool video, we're checking out the yummy flavors of Little India in Singapore. Come along as we try lots of tasty spices and smells. Little India is like a big adventure for your taste buds with all the delicious Indian food. Plus, we'll visit pretty sari shops where you can see amazing colors and patterns on traditional clothes. It's like finding a piece of India in the middle of Singapore. Come join the fun.
Hi guys, we have arrived in Singapore.
So you guys, before we start the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow and it really encourages us to make more videos for you guys. So hit that subscribe button. Tolong di subscribe, dibagi-bagi. Terima kasih banyak guys. Now back to the video.
Ini kamarnya guys. Wah, oh, cute banget. Simple tapi cukup lah ya. Bunga-bunga cantik yang bikin segar suasana kamar ini. Ini apa? Sepertinya ini window. Ada safety box, ada lemari. Ini kamar mandinya. Nice. Wah, not bad. Dapat pemanas air. Dapat satu botol air mineral. Ini dapat apa nih? Fresh 3-in-1 coffee mix dan instant tea mix. Kayaknya enak deh.
It's not just any street, it's like going on a journey, like a treasure hunt through Little India's special traditions. You'll see bright colors, hear exciting sounds, and maybe even taste some incredible snacks. It's a bit like being in a really fun storybook about a place far away. Guys, we finally made it. Azmi Restaurant. Wow. Check out all the delicious options they have. So much to pick from. Chicken biryani, chicken masala, it's awesome. How cool is this place? Right on the busy Serangoon Street corner. You can sit inside, but with a patio feel. Enjoy your food and feel the breeze. It's so awesome. Oh, and guess what? You gotta try their super famous chapati bread. They make it on this big, tough cast iron pan. No oils, just the dough and the pan doing their delicious dance.
And what else are good? Chicken biryani.
Okay. 1240. Chicken with chicken biryani 1240.
And chicken masala?
You want chicken biryani or chicken masala?
One and one. That one? This one?
Alright guys, so we finally made it. We're here at Azmi Restaurant, Little India in Singapore.
Woo!
I'm gonna try out the chicken biryani, the deli finger right here. It's a bunch of vegetables. I have the chicken marsala right here. We have two of the chapatis right here. Very good bread. And the keema beans right over here. So I'm gonna try the chicken marsala first. Right here. Dip it into the sauce over here. Kind of get a piece of chicken out right here like this. So good. So good, you guys. The chicken is moist, savory, a hint of curry, spice, seasoning.
Get that. So good. People that live here, they're so lucky to be able to eat this.
Okay, get some of the chapati over here to the chicken biryani. And I'm gonna go to the keema bean. I'm gonna grab my spoon and kind of push it in here. Just push it in like that. The keema bean. So good. It's just really good. You guys gotta have to come out here and try it for yourself.
Good. Sampai tulang-tulangnya enak guys. Mulutku tuh udah cemong, udah cemongan, udah panas. Tapi
Alright, you guys, so we ordered a little bit more right here. Some to go. So we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna walk the strip over here. We got all kinds of stuff over here.
Designer tailors. Yeah, you can get it.